Today's tree is Pterospermum. In science, in botany, we call a tree genus Pterospermum. It has been derived from the two words. Pteron means winged, which has the wing, and sperma means seed. The tree is characterized by the winged seeds. In India, it is also known as Kanak Champa. Champa are the flowers which have maddening fragrance, and Kanak means wheat. Wheat has the golden color, so it also signifies golden. As this Pterospermum, young leaf stalks, petioles, and flowering buds, and even the fruit capsules, which are woody, they have the golden pubescence, golden hairs as a covering. So it is named as Kanak Champa. Tree is also known as Karnikara because it is supposed that Pterospermum flowers, which are finger-like, bud is finger-like, and from them maddening fragrance is emitted as they open. But again they are pendant-like, and it is said that the Kanak Champa opening flowers were also used by Krishna to adorn the ears. So Karnikara. Tree which is Kanak Champa, or in botany Pterospermum acerifolium, means it has the maple like leaves. So in English it is also known as maple leaved bayur tree. Another name is Karnikara tree. It is the tradition in Odisha, Bihar, to use its broad, very large leaves as dinner plates, as dining plates, as pattals to serve community meals and feasts. So Britishers have given another name as dinner plate tree. The leaves are very large, about 30-40 centimeter across, and they are lobed, and it is leathery. Because of the leathery texture, lamina holds the food, so it is also used for wrapping the food materials or serving the meals. So dinner plate tree is the name. The genus Pterospermum has 10 species. Most of them found in Asia. Few species which are critically endangered are seen in China. The species which are critically endangered under the genus Pterospermum are Pterospermum kingtungensis, and habitat loss is the main reason for its decline in the natural habitat in China. Another species reported from China is Pterospermum menglunensis. It is again critically endangered and found only in China. Third species which is critically endangered and found only in China is Pterospermum yunanensis. It is only seen in Mangla County, Jinghong, China, Yunnan. But the species which we see in Jammu parks and gardens as ornamental tree is Pterospermum acerifolium, Kanak Champa. In Dogri, we also call it as Lalar Chamba. Chamba is also known as the tree which is called Magnolia champaka. But this is also called Champa because of the white flowers which are fragrant. and the tree is called champa with a reference to Lord Krishna who adorned its floral buds. So name Karnikara. Then another reference that honeybees do not visit the champa tree. So in Hindi it is said, champa तुझ में 3 गुण पर भंवर ना आए पास. तो ये जो तेज राधिका का और भंवर कृष्ण का दास, इसलिए so the honeybees do not visit the flowers despite its fragrance. Basically the flowers are nocturnal flowers. It's a night blooming tree. So honeybees do not visit during night time. So basically moths are attracted and they affect pollination. And even small sized bats are also attracted toward the blossoms of Pterospermum aceriifolium, Kanak Champa or Bayur tree. Most of these Pterospermum trees, they have the alternate leaves. Leaves are alternate. Mostly they are lobed and stipules are always present, but they are laciniate. Even they grow either solitary, axillary, or 1 or 2 or 3 flowers at a node. Bracteoles are also seen in the flowers, which are usually 3. Petals are 5 and they are free, corypetalous, but distinct staminal column is seen in the flowers, as it has more than 15 stamens. 15 are fertile stamens which are borne in 5 groups, alternate with staminodes. Ovary is 5-locular and stigma is furrowed. Mostly capsule is woody. Blaze is red. Pterospermum aceriifolium, which is more common in our parks and gardens, its fruit maturation time is more than a year. After pollination, it takes about 1 year, 12 months, 13 months to mature into a woody capsule. And due to this long maturation time, many other trees, they outcompete the Pterospermum aceriifolium in revegetating an area or colonizing the location. Its flower perfumes are also reported to be insect repelling. So they can be kept in clothes. They can prevent the insect damage, as well as they have the fragrance in the clothes. Flowers are also boiled and used as tonic against inflammation, against ulcers, blood related problems, even for the treatment of tumors. And bark of the Kanak Champa has been reported to be used in the lipstick formation making. The flowers are also religious because these flowers enchanted even Lord Krishna, and flower buds were used as pendants. And even the ladies, or some in earlier days, they used to wear the flower pendants. It is also reported that Kanak Champa flowers with fleshy sepals, if paste is applied, then it is very good for wounds healing. The petals are ultra thin. They are like muslin cloth and pure white. Species which is found in Garhwal, Uttarakhand, but where the capsule is without angles. In case of Pterospermum aceriifolium, capsule is woody and is 5 angular with brown tubercles. But the species which we find in Garhwal has terete capsules which is ovoid and without tubercles. It is Pterospermum lancifolium. It is usually cultivated and found in northeastern India. Another species reported from South India is Pterospermum diversifolium. Leaves are arranged in a distichous fashion, two-ranked fashion, and stipules are early falling. In Pterospermum acerifolium, which we find in Jammu, we have the peltate kind of stalk lamina attachment. Petiole lamina attached in the middle of the, not exactly middle, but not at the base. It is shifted towards the lamina inside. So it is called peltate leaf stalk attachment. This peltate attachment is seen only in saplings in case of Pterospermum diversifolium and not in the mature leaves. And leaves are multi-nerved from the base. Flowers are large, usually they are solitary. Capsule is 5-angled and seeds are winged only at one end. And this tree, Pterospermum diversifolium, because of varied leaf structure, is known in Tamil language as Batta Polovu. Our Malayalam name is Pambaram or Malavuram. Another species which is seen in South India and it is vulnerable, it is on the decline and calls for conservation, is Pterospermum reticulatum. Here the branchlets are lenticellate. They are white tomentose, but even in our Pterospermum acerifolium we find the white tomentose shoots with stellate hairy pubescence. Here in reticulatum, lamina is pendurate, lobed, 3-5 nerved. It is narrower as compared to our Pterospermum acerifolium, which has the large round lobed leaf. But in case of reticulatum, it is narrower and oblong. Flowers are borne in fascicles or they are solitary, and capsule is 5-winged as we find in Pterospermum acerifolium, Kanakchampa also. Base is asymmetric in case of Pterospermum reticulatum. Pterospermum acerifolium we call Kanakchampa or Lalar Champa is also known by another Hindi name, Indian name, as Muchukund. And Muchukund in ancient India was the name of the king of Ikshvaku dynasty. They were the ancestor of Lord Rama, and he fought the evil Asuras to protect the Devtas or gods, and as a boon, as a virtue, as a to acknowledge the help rendered by Muchukund, he was given the boon to have the sleep, longer sleep. So it is said he slept inside a cave, and Lord Krishna is supposed to have visited that cave, and evildoer Yavan was also killed. And Muchukund means sleepy. For longer period he remained slept. So the flowers are mostly finger shaped and they do not open fully for a longer time. They take time to open from the flower buds. So this name is also provided to the tree, Muchukund. In Kannada language, the Pterospermum is known as Muchukundamara, or another name Naradu, or Toda Giringa is another name for Pterospermum. In case of Pterospermum, Malayalam name is Muchukundam. Another species which is reported from India and Sri Lanka under the genus Pterospermum is Pterospermum suberifolium, also known as cork-leaved bayur tree or cork-leaved pterospermum. It has the subcordate leaves and flowers are yellowish white. In Sanskrit, Kanakachampa or Muchukunda is also known as Bahupatra, Dirgha Pushpa. The flower takes time to bloom. Hari Bhallabh, Krishna, after Krishna, name Hari Bhallabh. It's also called a Kshatra Briksh, Kshatriya Briksh. Prati Vishnuka is another name connected with Lord Vishnu. Supushpa, Khubsurat Phool Wala. Another name is Sudala. In Tamil, Polavu or Senolugu, Sina Polavu or Uttinmaram. In Telugu, it is also known as Lolagu or Naradu or Kumpudi. In Marathi, Machkanda. In Urdu, Pterospermum acerifolium is called as Gulmuchkan. And in Dogri, we call it as Lalar Chamba. So, Pterospermum acerifolium previously kept in the family Sterculiaceae, to which our Sterculia urens, ghost tree belongs, Sterculia velosa, Uddal belongs. But now, along with Sterculia, even Pterospermum stands clubbed under the expanded family, ladyfinger family, Malvaceae. And tree is not only decorative, but its lower-sized leathery leaves can serve the purpose of serving the meals during community feasts and even in temples. To avoid the use of styrofoams, plastic plates and other non-biodegradable synthetic containers. So serving meals on the Pterospermum Kanakachampa leaves is very useful for the clean green environment. Flowers are visited by insects, especially moths, but once woody capsules mature, then its seeds, winged seeds, are eaten by many birds. So the tree planting, if we resort, it will add greenery and it will also attract many birds to the surroundings, making the environment more biodiversity friendly and also biodegradable way of meal serving or offering food in the community langar. So this particular tree, Pterospermum acerifolium, need to be planted on a wider scale during the monsoon season, which is ongoing.